What is the frequency at which aircraft equipment S operate? A. 350 Hz. B. 450 Hz. C. 400 Hz. D. 40 Hz. The correct answer is 400 Hz. Aircraft maintenance personnel are also known as A. Aircraft maintenance engineer. B. Aircraft maintaining engineer. C. Air maintenance engineer. D. Air maintaining engineer. The correct answer is aircraft maintenance engineer. What does the attitude indicator display? A. Aircraft S relation to the horizon. B. Aircraft S relation to the ground. C. Aircraft S relation to the wind flow. D. Aircraft S relation to the atmospheric pressure. The correct answer is aircraft S relation to the horizon. What is the full form of CAMP? A. Continuous Air Mileage Program. B. Continuous Air Maintenance Program. C. Continuous Airworthiness Maintenance Program. D. Continuous Airworthiness Mileage Program. The correct answer is Continuous Airworthiness Maintenance Program. Which is the most expensive maintenance check of all? A. check. B. D check. C. check. D. B check. The correct answer is D check. Which of the following is the most extensive maintenance check to be performed on an aircraft? A. check. B. D check. C. B check. D. C check. The correct answer is D check. The continuous inspection program for commercial aircraft in India is approved by which of the following authorities? A. DGCA. B. EASA. C. FAA. D. DCGA. The correct answer is DGCA. Which of the following can replace a heading indicator? A. Horizontal situation indicator. B. Vertical situation indicator. C. Horizontal path indicator. D. Vertical path indicator. The correct answer is Horizontal situation indicator. What is the full form of IS? A. Implied airspeed. B. Indicated airspeed. C. Incident airspeed. D. Immediate airspeed. The correct answer is Indicated airspeed. TAS shows airspeed in A. Miles per hour. B. Knots. C. Nautical miles. D. Kilometer per hour. The correct answer is knots. The turn indicator indicates rotation about the A. Horizontal axis. B. Vertical axis. C. Longitudinal axis. D. Diagonal axis. The correct answer is longitudinal axis. The compass instrument shows the aircraft S heading relative to magnetic. A. West. B. North. C. South. D. East. The correct answer is North. Who is responsible to review the airworthiness certificate maintenance records and other required paperwork to verify that the aircraft is airworthy? A. Co-pilot. B. Aircraft maintenance engineer. C. Purser. D. Pilot. The correct answer is pilot. Aircraft maintenance is the overhaul, repair, inspection or modification of an aircraft or aircraft component. A. True. B. False. C. D. The correct answer is true. Altimeter is not a part of the Big Five flight instruments. A. False. B. True. C. D. The correct answer is true. Instrument flight rules are one of two sets of regulations that govern all aspects of civil aviation aircraft operations. A. False. B. True. C. D. The correct answer is true.